Hi guys, just making a quick video on 3D modeling in the Autodesk 2011. I did start this earlier, but it fucked up on me, so I decided I'd start it all over again. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to play around with it, show you guys a couple of features throughout this this program. It's extremely intense if you know what you're doing. It can be very high-end stuff. Like there are some movie companies that still use this program. It is an expensive program, but I have a student license because I go to uni, so I get a free 3-year license with this, which is great. What I want to do is I just want to take you over here to the create, and we'll just go geometry. What you got is your basic boxes, stuff like that. So, and that's it. You know, there's heaps and heaps of things that you can do. You got your sphere. You know, you can even draw a cone if you want. We'll just quickly get rid of them, taking up too much space. Alright. You know, you got your cylinder. You even got one of these, which is awesome. It's a donut. I like to call it the donut, but obviously it's not the right word for it. Even a teapot. For some reason, they've actually incorporated a teapot into 3D Max. I don't know why. I really don't care because this is such a great program, but I personally have no use for it. So yeah, we've got heaps and heaps of tools over here to use, have a play around with, stuff like that, you know, pyramids, anything you want, and this is just to start off with. You know, you just got your simple panel. Then you come down, you got your name and your color. Just minimize that. You got your name and your color, so you can. So if I create, I'll just create another box. Alright, so we got our box 101. We can change that to, you know, cube, and we can even change the color of it over here. Just double click or click, and we'll change the color to what you want. I'm going to go with a shitty blue. You change the color to the blue. Creation methods, both different, because one will actually come out as a cube and not as a square, because in the square you can make the rectangles as well, stuff like that. Just create what I was talking to you guys about. It's a bit silly. So I've got my cube there. So we've gone through those two. So we'll just minimize them. We'll just shoot that. This one here, basically changing position and stuff like that of your entry point. Not really relevant to any modeling at all, but you know, if you want to be specific on where you want your boxes or anything like that to be placed when you start off, it will automatically do that for you. Down here, change the size. This is where you really get to have a play around with it. So, you know, make it flat. You can do whatever you want. Make it as big as you want, as wide as you want, anything like that. Now, over here we got the segments. We'll just make this 20 by 20 by 20. Something small. Right. So now we've got our box here. What we can do is we can change the length segments, width segments, and the height segments, and I'll actually show you what this does. What this does is we don't need that. We need to come over here and go wife. flat edges, sorry. Okay, so maybe the width and length segments don't actually want to work for this, but oh, there we go. Now it's changing it up. Right, so see what happened then. We changed the height segments to 2. We split the box in half, directly in half. Changed it to 4. Put it into quarters, even quarters. Exactly the same with width and length. Basically, what this does is it makes it easier to edit. So if I want to change this to an editable poly, I drop that box down, slide this all out, and I want to take that and I want to bring it out. We'll just drop this one down. So we want to extrude it. All we have to do is select one part and come out. Or what I'll do, I'll actually just make something quickly, just because I'm bored. I want to extrude this one here out as well. I actually go Control Z because I actually did a bit and I didn't mean to.